Hello sir, welcome to my channel RX Sam. My name is Sam and I am pharmacist. Today we see the basic information of drug vitamin K. It is mostly used for blood coagulation. About vitamin K, vitamin K comes from German word coagulation vitamin. Vitamin K is a fat-soluble vitamin found in food and in dietary supplements. The human body requires vitamin K for complete synthesis of certain proteins that are needed for blood coagulation or for controlling binding of calcium in bone and other tissues. Without vitamin K, blood coagulation is seriously impaired and uncontrolled bleeding occurs. Deficiency of vitamin K may weaken bones, potentially leading to osteoporosis, and may promote calcification of arteries and other soft tissues. Vitamin K includes two natural vitamins, vitamin K1 and vitamin K2. Vitamin K1, also known as phylloquinone or phytomenadione, is made by plants and is found in highest amount in green leafy vegetable because it is directly involved photosynthesis. Vitamin K2, also known as menaquinone, consists of a number of related chemical subtypes with different length of carbon side chain made of isoprenoid group of atoms. Indications: Vitamin K is one of the treatment for bleeding event caused by overdose of the anticoagulant drug warfarin. Hemorrhages or bleeding. Hematemesis is vomiting of blood. Hematuria, it is presence of blood in the urine. Menorrhagia, it is heavy menstrual bleeding. And osteoporosis. Let us see what is our definition. Coagulation, also known as clotting. It is the process in which blood changes from a liquid to gel, forming a blood clot. Fat-soluble vitamins are absorbed through the intestinal tract with the help of lipids or fat. Osteoporosis is a disease in which bone weakening increases the risk of a broken bone. Calcification is the accumulation of calcium salt in a body tissue. It is normally occurs in the formation of bone. Photosynthesis is a process used by plant and other organisms to convert light energy into chemical energy. Dosage: Vitamin K can be administered by mouth, intravenously and subcutaneously. 0.5 to 1 microgram per kg. Some brand names which are available in market: KNAT, Neok, Capilene, Stiptindon. Thanks for watching my videos. Hope you like it. Please share to your friends. Hit the bell icon button and subscribe my channel for my new upcoming videos.